The Inkpad 4 by Pocketbook is the fourth generation in the Inkpad line, not counting any Pro or X variants. So thank you to Pocketbook for sending us this sample. This is the latest gen, May 2023, 7.8-inch e-ink Carta, 1200 screen with a smart light. It has IPX8 waterproof rating, and it has a built-in speaker which allows for playing music, and of course it has TTS or text-to-speech functions. Looking at the box, this is a very nice box. I always appreciate when people and manufacturers do things outside of the norm. You will see that they've made this kind of rounded, conformed, almost paper-mache-esque looking box with an outer sleeve. They didn't go cookie cutter on the box. It looks nothing like anything you've ever seen before. The outer sleeve slides off like so from top to bottom. And we should have a lot of kind of a mixed paper feel. Yeah, so what this basically looks like, I can't confirm it, but it does look like a pressed piece of recyclable paper, which is a good thing because you don't need to use new products all the time. Sometimes it's nice to use recycled products. So let's put this off to the side and see what's going on here. You know, this box does look very similar to the Viva, the one we got the prototype from them earlier on this year. We have USB-C in the box, and we got a bunch of documentation. Wow, 5 things here. So you get some quick start guides, some regulatory information, a big fat book on warranty. My goodness, look at that. And we have quick start guide, yes, of course. And I love this. I can't even remember when they started doing this. This has been here for a long time. Your life with and without a cover. That is awesome. You can see he's trying to parachute, and without a cover, he would be absolutely destroyed. So it is good to have a cover with your unit, although kind of strangely enough, they give you that and they don't really give you a cover for it, so they kind of tell you to go out and buy one. Some manufacturers include one, but that's not positive or negative, it's just stating the facts. Inkpad for everyone. Now, if you don't know, Pocketbook makes ebook readers. They don't make tablets, they don't make e-notes, they don't make phones, they make e-readers. In fact, Inkpad X is the only 10.3-inch large screen e-reader in the world. So it is nice to know that Pocketbook has been around for well over 15 years, and these guys are still killing it to this day. They have this very nice subtly angled bottom that fits nicely into your hands. Otherwise, it's fairly squared off. You have a speaker on that side, and it looks like it's a single speaker setup, or it could be stereo speakers but put on the exact same kind of speaker pack with a little division there. It could be a stylist point, I do not know. Now, you do have some buttons on it as well, and they look like they've contoured the buttons to have a little bit more feel to them. So you have power, you have forward and back, or up and down respectively, depending on the application you are using, and you have another button that is for home, and all of these will do different things if you long press them, etc. They are using a matte screen, of course, because it is e-paper, and they should have a little panel here that pops off. Yes, this is normal, and this is by design. It is very hard to get off, but once you do, it can be removed. It is a piece of plastic panel. Most of their devices have this, and what it does is offer a clean look, but also gives you some other things. So you get your regulatory stamps, tells you where it's made, tells you the model number. This one is the PB743G. You get some secret little pogo pins there, and all of your other things like regulatory stamps, all your plastic recycled parts, etc. And this actually coincides with that, so it actually has the part number right there, same as the model number right there. So this is meant to be taken off, so don't worry about that. Let's do a first time boot up just to show you what is going on, and obviously we will save the real meat of the video for the review, but for now let's just power it on. So Pocketbook is a reader-centric brand first and foremost, and really only, so they give you some books on there and you can start them right away. You'll also notice it says apps. This is something they've slowly started getting into. It's not apps in the traditional sense where you can download apps from the Play Store, sideload them in. It's not using Android, so you can't do that. But you do get some fun things like Scribble, and on the color variants, you actually can scribble in different colors. This one you can't, of course, but it's pretty fast, honestly, and can be used with a capacitive pen, which we will show you in the full review. But for now, everyone, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2023 Inkpad 4. This is the 4th gen release of the Inkpad, and I think the 6th or 7th Inkpad release altogether. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. But for now, stay tuned till the full review. Thanks for stopping by, and everyone, have a great day.